Guys, we're back with some more epic Dorito eating challenges. Okay, that was weird. I can recognize my own weirdness sometimes, but gotta be weird for the camera. I have a Dorito stuck in my throat from the last video. All right, let's do this. Push, riding, push. Gotta ride all day, every day. Okay. Gotta ride. You gotta ride. Oh, I'm balling. All right, so we get another Dorito right over here. Just grab one more Dorito from the bag. Now we gotta flip the board around. Right here, guys. Drop it. Push it up. Pull up. Now we do it. Let's get it started. Oh! Falling off the board. I am a disgrace. Just push that. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes. Nope. It is in position. Right. Oh! I almost ran. That's some good Doritos. That's some very good Doritos. Yeah, just get a nice close-up of my acne. Yeah. So now we put this camera in the fridge. Oh. God, Doritos do not come out of your throat. All right. Oh no. Pro tip. Putting your phone in the fridge next to a Gatorade is not a good idea. Alright. Now there's infinite of me in this video. You see that right there? Right there? You see that's my phone. Oh my god, infinite dabs. Infinite dabs. Alright. We got this water right here. Hey, you guys, chilly? Yeah, because you're in the fridge. See, right here. Let me in. No. Where is my food with you? Do I? I'm gonna sneeze again. Ah. Yeah. Alright, you're out of the fridge.